What is up, y'all? Happy Monday. What is up, y'all? Oh my goodness gracious. I'm modding myself and also listening to myself, I guess, on Echo. What else can you do when you love the sound of your own voice? How's everyone doing today? So, just a disclaimer, I'm like a little sick. I don't know what's up. It's just a cough, but also I have to like clear my throat a lot. I don't really know what's going on. So if I sound a little raspy or anything, that's what's up. I don't have COVID, I think. Just a cough, which I got from I don't know where. I don't leave my house. So today we are going to go through my whole Code Wars process. I got a lot of you asking for this, so I figured I would just go from like the complete beginning, making a repo, making the files, doing the Code Wars, pushing the Code Wars, and then like maybe backdating some, or if it takes me multiple tries to get the Code Wars, then we can backdate using that as well. So also, hey Twitch and Just and Orasi. It's gonna be a little bit of a review for you, huh, Orasi? Okay, let's go. Lego. Here we are. Yay. Let's start a little timer. I'm on top of it today. I was gonna forget, but now I'm not. Okay. So, one of the top things, some warranty and honey. Do I sound raspy to you, Elkie? I feel like I sound raspy. I probably should, huh? Hey, Moonpix, what's up? I can't like clear my throat, but I need to clear it, but I can't. But I need to. Anyway, I don't know. Just a tiny bit of rasp. I don't think it's COVID. It's just some weird cough or something. Does Code Wars mean let's go to our place? God. Also, hey, Greg King. I spent way too much time there this weekend. My whole weekend was just in our place, honestly. Like, oh. Hey, S6. So, as I was saying before, welcome. We are going to go from 0 to 100 with Code Wars and GitHub. It's hours of your life invested. Yeah, at least we're there together, huh? If they do a valuation in our place, I wonder how many millions. Each pixel is like an NFT, huh? Each pixel placed ever. Damn, that would be a lot. That would be a lot. So the top thing that one of the things that I think is really useful is bookmarking your own GitHub page. You're gonna go to GitHub all the damn time, so much. GitHub, or just bookmark your own GitHub page. So that's what I did. Hello, it's me. There I am. Also, I normally say that at the beginning of my videos. Hello, it's Rufio. There you go. I did it. So you can see. This is normally bigger for y'all's screens, but I have to be super zoomed in because I'm blind. But you can see the commit history in GitHub. And did I push code every single one of these days? Hell no, I didn't. I just backdated. Ah, shit, commercial. We gotta wait. Y'all let me know when the commercial's over. Love ads for us. Is this the commit that fixed apostrophe? Because their CMS is it broken? Were you with us the other day, Avi, when we had like did so much with apostrophe? God. We did. So the big problem, Alvi, was that I was trying to use Mongo Atlas and it just isn't configured for Mongo Atlas, apparently. It has to be local Mongo. Hey, Born Code. I wasn't flipping you off, just so you know. Is it all mango yummy now? Oh, yeah. Amanda Knox. Y'all let me know when these ads are over, then we'll keep going. Maybe on one of my breaks, I should go get some tea with honey. I have some water. I should probably drink some water, huh? I can open the bottle. Yeah, but I think the ad breaks. Yeah, there it is. It's over. I've never heard that comparison before. Never gotten ads on my stream, like never once. Yeah, I don't. It like gives it. There's so many ads. Y'all get so many ads, and it just pisses me off. Less ads if you're not American, huh? All right. Life hack. Stop being American. Okay. In Washington, D.C. So you're glad you saw my stream is live. You're gonna go do some Code Wars later, but now it's better than later. Great! You have to VPN through North Korea. Brilliant. Then you won't get any. Because, I don't know. I just keep opening the stream in a new tab to bypass ads. I keep trying to give you ads. Can you use ad blocker? You missed my stream last Wednesday, so you're happy to catch this one. I'm so glad to see you, Lee. Lee, right? Yeah, I'm blind. Okay, so what did y'all last hear before I got cut off by ads? I'm not sure where it was. That's what to say. Backdating. Okay, y'all see this sexy ass like green square collage? Hot damn. Yeah, I will born code. Hot damn, everybody, say hot damn. Cause like obviously I pushed every day. Cause yeah, I'm responsible and not depressed. No, I definitely didn't. I backdated almost like 80% of this. So wow, they're getting around your ad blockers, Orasi. Yeah, I went really hard on backdating like December and January, and that is what you see. Backdating just means when you push your code to GitHub, it like when it goes with a little date. Backdating just means, hey, I'm gonna change that date to go push in the past so you can get a green square another day. Dating backwards, you face away from each other all night. Brilliant. Exactly. 100%. So, we gonna do that because y'all know you want like a whole like mosaic, that's the word I'm looking for, of green. Yes, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's very exciting. I will get there, Shogo. The script you've seen that does it for a date range, but garbage that it uploads. I see. Okay, like I said, we're going from the whole beginning. So we're going to be pushing our code up to GitHub, but before we do that, we're going to be making a repo. Let's go. So let's go make a repo. Repositories, super cool. New. What should we call it? I'm not going to call it coding challenges because I definitely already have that folder. We could call it code baddies. Hell yeah, let's go. Babbies. New repository, so hot right now. So to create a new repository, clicked on the create a new repository button, going down, public, not adding a description, not clicking any of this, zero, none, zero. And then we're just gonna create it. All right. Hey, look at this. Very nice, so good. We're minimizing it for a second, or we're just gonna drag it down. We're gonna drag both these down, okay? Gonna right click, hello. I'm gonna make a folder. I'm gonna call it code baddies. Sweet. All right. Now that we made that folder, I am going to, we could do this. I'm not gonna do that just for like, just because we want to do the harder thing right now. Flowers, yeah. Why is that low? They're sexy flowers. I like them a lot. I like them. Okay, so we're going to my desktop. We find Code Baddies. We open it. We select our folder. Hello, Code Baddies. We up in our Code Baddies. How I normally push coding challenges. Make a folder. I'll say CC for coding challenge. Shh, baby. Oops. Hello. Rename. Coding challenge, and then I'll do hello. The year. I almost wrote 2020. I'll be honest. Hey, perishable. We going through committing shit and code wars. Then I do the month. It is the 4th, and it is the 4th. Yeah. So that's what I do. Then within it, I create a file, a new file, and I call it app.js. Doesn't matter what you name it as long as you got the JS. So Born Code, I have a bunch of extensions. That's what those are. You can get them right here on this left side. But like this is GitLens, this is LiveShare, this is AppMap, and this is To-Dos. Like they all do different stuff. That's for another day, right? So we've just made our app.js within today's what's it called? Today's folder. Wow. Now that we've done that, let's go to Code Wars. I'll put down our GitHub for just a little bit. You can. Like, if we wanted to, Born Code, we could open up terminal. Shortcut for that, y'all, on Windows is Control tilde. Anyway, we got our terminal here. If we want to do it, we could just say touch. I don't actually know how to make folders. Does anyone know how to make folders in the terminal? But second.js. Holy shit, look at, there it is. Wow. Make directory. Thank you. Look at me learning. But I thought the directory was for like the overall folder. Okay, that's good to know. But we could do that. I don't ever. Look at me. Look. We're learning. Learning is cool. Y'all, my mouse stopped working like 2 minutes before I started stream. I don't know what's up. It would like right click and shit, but it wouldn't move the cursor. Okay. I'm about to click something I don't want to click. So let's do, I think last time we did these two and this one. So let's do this one. Everything is a folder, I'm learning, y'all. Okay, so maybe you have a cat problem. Maybe your mouse froze in fear of a cat that you installed into your computer. My cat script. I do my terminal stuff in PowerShell, use Ubuntu or Git Bash. Yeah, I do in PowerShell. So Born, I'm gonna do my whole process. That started with making the folder, with making the file or folder within the folder with the file. Then we're gonna do Code Wars in that file in that folder, and then we're gonna push it, etc. So let's steal this baby. So I normally steal this baby, and then I paste it here, and then I save. Blood, we starting from 0, and we making folders where we're putting our Code Wars, and then we're gonna be pushing up to GitHub, and then we're gonna be backdating. Hey Sean, thanks for the follow. If only you can use the result of this cut on your bank account. Wow. Hot damn. I thought I put it in there. Leon also did though. Wow. Okay. Here we are. Wow, shit. I did not expect that. Hey, Metal Ram, thanks for following. I swear I turned my notification sounds on again. Hey, thanks for following. And I definitely didn't. So if I miss you following, etc., I'm sorry. It is not intentional. Hey, Rana, thanks for the follow. You know, Perishable, I don't know how to do scripts yet. Hi, Samuel. Hi. No. HL Samuel? Hi. Hey, July, thanks for the follow. Y'all, if you keep following, I can't thank every one of you. Slow down. Hi, Layla. Hey, Burn, thanks for the follow. Hi, Ryder. Thank you, Born. What am I thanking you for again? I'm sorry. All right. 100 gods, hell yeah. Yo, I want to do a script sometime. That seems really fancy to me. Okay, since everyone is suddenly coming in here, we're gonna pause for a second before we move forward, because that do be a lot of people coming in. Oh, Rossi, thanks for the follow. Also, and by follow I mean subscription. Also, thank you everyone for the follows. Thank you for the follows and subscriptions. Hell yeah, I am. Hell yeah, I am. Drank. Thank you, Dakota. Leon is... Wait, Born. Are you saying that? Like, are you joking or being serious? Because I will answer, but... Also, y'all, my hands are so goddamn shaky today. I just get trembly hands. Hey everyone, what up, what up? Welcome, thank you for the follows. Trembly hands. I think I want another drink because my throat is kind of, I don't know, how do you say? Raw. Blood, my hands, I think it may be connected to low blood sugar, or if I do a lot of effort. So this is kind of heavy. If I hold it, my hands, I don't know if you can see my hand shaking, but my hand is shaking. I did eat. I ate. Your hands would stop. You thought your hands would stop shaking after you quit drinking. Apparently that's just the way you are. You drink a lot of caffeine as well. Hey, Dark Synergy. Hey, Cal. I also went on a really hard hike like a year ago, and after I got back from the really hard hike, this hand shaky thing started happening. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know. I think it could be low blood sugar, though. This one's kind of shaking. Anyway. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Thank you for all the follows. Did I ingest psychedelic mushrooms in this hike? Nah. I did that at home. Curse of the Chupacabra. Do you guys remember that? Anupitsunganika means there's a ghost in southern Paiute. Anupitsunganika. To eat any wild berries? Nah, just snakes. Thank you for all the follows. Spoopy. Snake. SNEK, snake. Alright. People still be coming in. Hey, love below. We're gonna walk through what we've done so far. Hey, Ninja. Well, there you go. You become part snake. You are what you eat. And snakes tremble with their hands. Watch a parrot video. Alright. I guess as we're waiting for people to come in, we gotta watch a parrot video. It's been requested. We have to respect the requests. Hey, Zona. Oh, let's go. Hey, Blood, do you have like a specific video you want to watch? Love parrots. ADHD for coders. What should we call it? What do we call it? Which one are we looking for? My favorite, but you already saw my favorite. We could do, I do not have a parrot. I did. He died a couple years ago. We could do, Disco the parakeet. Have I looked this up before? Yes. Have I watched many of these videos? Also yes. Am I ashamed? No. Here we go. We could watch this one. How about that? How about that? Hey, Telescope Thieves, what up? Alright, here we go. Wait, let me turn up this sound and shit. Parrot fights a little kid. Parrot. Have you seen like the goose chasing like people or like a kid, that video? Thanks for all the follows.
Nobody expects the Spanish in it.
Oh, you know what? You can't see this. I want it to be bigger, but I... There we go. How about this is the one. There you go. Now you can see all of it. Here you go. Hey there.
Nobody expects the Spanish in it. Nobody expects the Spanish is it. Nobody expects the Spanish exquisite baby bird. Nobody expects musician. What same expects the Spanish quarter? Nobody expects the Spanish.
Nobody does.
Nobody expects
Hey,
the Spanish. Nobody expects the Spanish exquisite bitty A. Prepare a key expects the Spanish quarter. Nobody expects the Spanish exquisite baby
I will,
bird.
Brian. Somebody just redeemed this, so that's what we do.
Nobody expects cheeseburger. Nobody expects the scratch your knife. Get my leg, get yes, I do. Nobody expects the Spanish it. Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition.
There you go. We watched it. Will we watch more of Disco in the future? Hell yes. Hell yes. He knows so many phrases. Freaking brilliant bird. Freaking brilliant bird. Seriously. When am I doing my job thing? After this. Welcome, Boma. Nobody expects a Spanish hamburger, y'all. Do you? So, welcome, everyone. Thank you for all the follows. I don't know what the flowers are funny, but all right. We are starting from zero when it comes to making our, what's it called? Our code wars, pushing them up to GitHub. Okay. Are we streaming our place? Nah, I spend way too much time on our place so far. Someone needs to buy Hello Rufio parakeet, but I can't have a bird because birds require commitment and I can't be committed yet. Okay, so where we started, we created a folder or a repo in GitHub. Birds aren't real, redev, but they're already great. Who's making noise? You know, I really would like to watch that, but not yet. Next time. So, we already made our folder, but if we want to go back a little bit and see how to do that, we're going to do that. I'm not going to keep this fake folder we're making. Oops, hello. So, to make a new folder, go to your GitHub, go to your repositories, click New. You can add your name. I never add a description. I basically always have it be public. And I don't ever click any of these. And then I create my repository. Boom, baby. Boom. Okay. Let's go back to our Code Baddies repo. We're going to leave this here for now. We just grabbed, I can't have this be here. I keep looking at it. It's so fantastic. I have to minimize it though. I want to watch it so bad. Am I recording this? It's going to be on my page later. So it will be on my page for a while. All right, so then we got our coding challenge. Hello. Must watch birds. We got our coding challenge. We created a folder on our desktop and we opened it up in VS Code. We did this by clicking open folder. Hello, here it is. We clicked it. Then I like to click this to create a new folder. I like to call it the coding challenge and pick like the date I'm trying to push it to. I've been watching birds and flowers. Exactly, Warridge. And then I create a file within this called, yeah. I have like a slightly like coffee throat today. It's dry. Hold up. Okay. I may be a little bit sick today. I create a folder for each challenge I do, Samuel. And then I create a JS file within it. I will get tea when we go on break, okay? I do think I need it. Thank you for the follow, y'all. Thank you for the follows. Y'all need to remind me to get tea when we go on break in like half a second. And by that, I mean like a minute. So, I make a folder with the date I'm trying to push it to, and I make app.js within it. You can do this in the terminal. I do it right here and right here. No soft drinks? I don't have any. They make my stomach feel weird. So we just copied our coding challenge here and Mountain Dew. I haven't had Mountain Dew since I was 8. Coffee all day. Stop, throat, stop. I'm going to pause here because we are about to go on break, and I'm going to go get me some tea, okay? Here we go. We're on break now. Oh my god. Rufio's throat. What the hell? Okay, I'm going to be back. Throat coat tea. I have chamomile. I have like ginger. I think I might have some ginger. Maybe. I don't know. We are going to do more coding. I don't have any lemon, but I do have honey. Okay, I'm going to be back. I'm going to bring the bird. You can see how much time we have left, and I will be back, okay? Everclear should help. God. God. All right, BRB. Alright, y'all. The tea has been made, not consumed. Not. Not consumed. Holy shit. Huh. It's fine. That just burned my tongue. It needs to steep faster. I've never seen Amanda Knox. Ah. Burn tongue. Yay. Love that for us. Okay. Hello, everyone. We back. Okay, let me turn the music back on because we turned it off for the bird and then I left y'all a whole break without any music and I do apologize for that. Ah, why did she burn her tongue? Holy shit, DH. Well, props. Good for you. Hey, Zyke. What up? Alright, y'all. Let's do our coding challenge now. Partially why you came. Let's do it. Now, we're going through my whole process, okay? That also means, at least for this first one, I don't want you to give me any input unless I ask for it, okay? I'm going to be talking through this as if, like, maybe I were in, like, a job interview, okay? So, like, pretending like maybe you're the interviewer and just, like, chatting through it. Okay? So let's go. All right. I may check it later, Born, but let's go. Given an array of integers, return a new array with each value doubled. For example, if you're given 1, 2, and 3, return 2, 4, and 6. Rufio, the parrot god? Yes, thank you. All right. So, assuming y'all were actually, like, interviewing me, this is how it would go. Like, after we say, hey, what up? I'm fantastic. I am a parrot god, thank you. We move on to this. So, we're given an array of integers. We're supposed... God, I have to cough so bad. Don't do it. Don't do it. That's okay, because I'm needing to cough anyway, so. Oh my god, I just sprayed water in my face. Okay. Sorry y'all for the ad. Let me know when it's done. This is a good thing though for me because my throat's going crazy. They're already done, huh? Oops, so sorry. Okay, alright. Ads are done. Don't worry, guys. She only revealed the most important aspect of learning JavaScript. No big deal. Alright. Let's keep moving forward. Now that there are no ads, I'm sorry about that. Why do they play ads so often? Makes me a little mad. Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank you. I will get that to you. Here we go. There it is. So, we're given an array of integers. We're supposed to return a new array with each value doubled. Is it always going to be integers? Are we going to be given any special characters? An empty array ever? I'm adding... I try to, Roach, but then freaking they play anyway. I can never escape them. It makes me so mad. Okay. So, this is prep, if y'all remember. Parameters. That's what we're doing here. Parameters. means like you're checking for like edge cases and like specifics and whatnot. Beyond that, I don't actually know what that word means, so that's cool. R, return. So this should return a new array with each value doubled. Edge cases, like experienced coders, how do you describe edge cases? I like exceptions. Is that a good way to say it? Like exceptions to the rule. Cases that don't happen a lot but are super annoying when they do. Yeah, KJ. That's what this is. There you go. Outliers, funny little things you might not think of it right away that makes stuff tougher. Born, where are you not? Where did I lose you? Edges of unexpected input anomalies. You're something of an outlier yourself. You're an edge case? Okay. Alright, so that's what edge cases are. We want to return, yeah, like Garland said. We want to return an array with each value doubled. So that's what I wrote, right? We want examples. Leon says to do like 3 examples for this. So if we want to write it out and not like a console log, we could say if we are given 2, 3, 4 should return 4, 6, 8. Then we do our next one. If we are given 4, 5, 6 should return 8, 10, 12. Quick maths. Doing pretty good. All right, third example. If we are given 2 and 22 should return 4, 44. 44. So, does this look right? Are y'all understanding this? I think I got that right. I think I got this maps. This is called prep. Yes. Hey, Bark Sniffer, love the name. Of course. All right, we got our 3 examples. So the last one is pseudocode. Let's walk through the code without actually writing the code. So the first thing I want to do is make in a function that takes in an array. And then, I don't know why I did that. After that, I'm not gonna cough. Coughs. After that, let me think about this. This really shouldn't be hard, but I haven't thought about it this far. Lol. Again, don't tell me how to do it yet. I appreciate it, but trying to show you like how I would do it if I were by myself, for example. Thanks y'all for the follows. I always do this, Born. I always do all of this actually. Every single time I push anything, like that's a code war. I did do last year's 100 dev class Southpaw. Okay. Learning, am I right? Okay, so it takes in an array. Then I'm thinking we want to map through the array and multiply each element by 2. Also return lol. Okay? So, I'm thinking that's all we have to do. That could very well not be the case, but we're going with that. So we're going to say function doubled array. And then we're going to say, we're going to take the array, we're going to map through it. So we're going to go through each element in the array, right? We're I say, given each element in the array, multiply it by 2. And then, what this is going to do right now, it's going to do it, but it's not going to say anything to us because we didn't ask it to say anything to us. It's just going to do it and keep that knowledge to itself because it likes it. So, to get that back, we're going to say return. Doubled is just the name of our function. A mirror. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, so doubled is just the name of the function. That's it. Okay? So, if this were an interview, I would ask, does this look right? Does it look like I'm on the right path? I'm thinking this is going to work. I'm feeling like yes. Map just means you are going through each element in the array and applying some sort of like condition to it. So if you look here, if this is our array, okay, 2, 3, 4, this is saying grab that array. So we're grabbing it. And then we're saying, okay, E, let's say that's 2. That's the first one. If we're given 2, then multiply it by 2. And then it moves to the next one. If we're given 3, then multiply it by 2, etc., etc., etc. That's what that means. Does that make sense? Map was a hard one for me to get, actually. Like, quite hard. And it returns a new array. Yes, sorry, thank you. I always forget that part. Yes, I am. It does. I could make this like dog. It just has to match the second one. Hello? Hello? Okay. Reduces, it is different than reduces. We could do star equals, but we don't have to, I think. What's the difference of using dot map or for each? I don't know. Y'all, what is the difference? Does anyone know? I would like to know. I've never really used for each, honestly. Maybe for each is a loop and this is just a method? For each iterates map creates a new array. Okay. So it sounds like the difference is that map returns a new array. For each returns undefined. Okay. For each doesn't make a new array. I don't think you do, Teu, but we're about to find out. I'm using monokai AX. For each mutates the values. For each is mutable, whereas map is immutable because it just creates a new one. Why not star equals? I think I could do that, but I don't know, I'm just not, so. With for each, you have to recreate an array. As you loop through each value in the current array, you add it to the newly created one. Dot map will auto create a new array for you and return it. Dog, just because I was trying to say that whatever I put here didn't matter as long as I had it on both sides. Can I explain the entire array? Like go through what I did? Like, we're gonna change this back from dog, y'all. Yeah. Also, y'all can totally listen to me. Go save the Goomba, though, in our place. No, back to dog. Okay, Shogo. I think I understand what you're saying, but we're gonna like go through this, okay? So, when it maps through, it's gonna say, like, say we're given 1, 2, and 3, okay? That's the array. So, it would be 1, 2, 3 dot map, and then the first time it goes, it would say 1 times 2. You see? And then it would return the new number, which would be 2, right? And then it would go again. The only difference is it would be 2 times 2, and it would be 4, right? Another time, you'd get 3. Oops, hello? Hello? Okay. And then we would have 3 times 2, and it would give us 6, right? So this map gives us this new array. Thank you, Scrolled One. I was wondering, I didn't know exactly why, I just kind of was doing it. The arrow function has an implicit return. There's no need to change the element with star equals as it is returning the value of the element times 2. You can do the arrow function or you can do map function. Yeah, so if we wanted to do it, hey Zybran, thanks for the subscription. Thanks everyone for the follows. I'm glad it makes sense. If we wanted to do it, too many words, I apologize. If we wanted to do it without a arrow function, it would be, hello? I think this is, I never do it this way. And then, right. Yeah. Function E. Yeah, I definitely have not done this. Thank you, Mewtwo. And then we would return E times 2. So you can see why the arrow function is shorter. Forgot naming the function. Function arrow. There you go. If she just did dot map with that array and left it empty, I would get undefined, undefined, undefined. Also, welcome Mewtwo. I've dropped in on a stream a couple times. No need to name it in this context. Alright, good to know. So, these do the same thing. Apparently you don't actually need it to have a name, but this, as you can see, is like shorter, easier to work with. Barely an inconvenience. Okay? Does this make sense? What's happening here with map and the arrow functions? Hola, panic at the Discord. Arrow functions are pretty damn useful, I'll be honest with you. We are doing code war questions. Alright, moving on. You can pass a function to map that was defined elsewhere. Welcome, welcome everyone, okay? Alright, so in theory, this works. But right now, we aren't testing it at all. There are several ways. How far in are we? We haven't done that yet, Lebacon. There are several ways to test this, to build test cases. One way is this way, where we just get the name of the function and then we put in an array. Okay? So this will just stick 1, 2, and 3 in and it will return an answer. Okay? The other way we can do it is we console log it, we grab doubled, we insert a new function or array words, and then the big difference between this one and the one right above it is that console logging it allows you to add the answer that should be gotten. So we should get 4, 6, and 8. That's the array we should get at the end of this. This is what we're taking. What is wrong? Oh, yes, it is. Okay, thank you. We're taking in the same thing. Hello. The name of the function, an example parameter array, and this is what we should get out of it. Only difference. I don't think it's unneeded in JavaScript. I feel like I've had problems before where I didn't return it and it just didn't come back. Naming of variables and functions can be more clear and accurate. Single letter variables are bad. Clarity over brevity should be a good rule of thumb. Alright, good to know. We'll call it element. How about that? That's what I was thinking. I was thinking it was needed. Alright, so these are two different ways. Two different ways to do test cases. This is the way it will just give you the answer. This way will give you the answer and the answer you're supposed to get, okay? We're gonna grab this. Hi, Sunspy. And then we can do this in Code Wars, or we can do something like run.js. It doesn't really matter. Or apparently we can do with Quokka. Quokka? I haven't used that yet though. Hello? So I'm just gonna input it. All right, so it worked. God damn, I can't believe I did that. I'm fantastic. More about pairs and just give you what he wanted. Seem capable enough to learn the job on the fly. Well, thank you. Please hire me. Thank you, thank you. I think I saw it on, I saw Run.js on like Twitter or something. Okay, so it's not an extension, it's an internal app. It's just called Run.js. It just like executes this for us, okay? Yes, first try. Okay, so here we are. Let's walk through this one more time. We have our function that's called doubled. It takes in an array. Then we are going to grab that array. We're going to map through it where each element is multiplied by 2. That's what's happening there. And then we're returning it, because if we do not return it, it will not give it to us. It will just run it and keep it to itself, unless we're like, hey, give it back, like a child. You know, the child's like, ooh, I love the shiny toy. And you're like, and then it's like, fine, I'll return it to you, okay? The reason why I use it is because I wasn't sure how to get this working in VS Code. I think Quokka works, but I haven't done that. So, these are our 2 test cases as, sorry, I said before. We should take a little bit of tea. Wait a second. Run.js isn't like Node. It's just executes your functions for you. Okay? I'm so glad we're in code. Okay, going back through our test cases. 2 different types. The first one just gives us one answer. So you see this one? This is the answer. It's the answer we want. Great. Happy for that. Okay? The second one just allows us to get like the answer that comes out of the function and the answer we want or whatever. So I did console log, I did the name of the function and the inputted array, and then I said, this is what we want. You can see that they match here. So that means we fucking awesome. Pretty sure. I have to make a test case if one of the elements is a string. All right. You know what? We're going to do that, but we're going to hold on to it for a second, okay? That's a really good idea. Okay, say that this is what I wrote. I wrote all of this, okay? I'm going to save it, okay? Then I'm going to open up my terminal. Shortcut on Windows is Control tilde, by the way, okay? So we're here. We made our folder. We made a remote repository. They are not connected. They are not connected at all. Yeah, I can. Here's a cat. There you go. I can share it with you too if you want, Stingerton. There you go. So we have our remote repo, and we have this. This is not connected. This doesn't actually have any Git repository. It's okay, blood. The shortcut for getting the terminal in Windows is Control tilde. That's what's happening. I use Windows, bro. Okay. Raise his hand. Same, me. Okay. So, what we're going to do to connect this to our remote repo is we're going to write git init. Okay? Now we have an empty Git repository. Still not connected to our remote repository. Okay. Okay. We got that so far? We're going to go back to our GitHub. So this is our this is our empty remote repository we opened up before. What I like to do, it kind of like tells you how to do it. So we just did git init, right? You could do this. I have never done this before. I don't actually know what's up with that. Does anyone know what's up with that? Term git is not recognized as the name. I've definitely gotten that error before coding is cool. So just creating a readme. Yeah, don't copy paste it all at once, one by one, I would say. Okay? I don't really use the remote key. I just use the URL. Alright. Creates a new file readme with the content of code baddies. Alright, y'all got that? I just learned this. Fun. Yeah, do you have Git installed? I didn't install Git, y'all. We know we're almost... Wait. We're doing shit. It's not break yet. We gotta finish it. Or should we take a break? Okay, we'll take a break. It's fine. It's fine. We should be responsible. My Pomodoro timer is Power Palm. I found it on the Microsoft Store. Let me just like dump my little tea bag out really quick. And then I need to actually drink this tea because yo girl be coughing up a fucking storm. Hello? Cord? Hello? It's stuck. Kolaches are great. I made them for winter solstice. A launch JSON fill. I don't think I've ever seen that. This doesn't taste like anything but honey. Where's my ginger at? Everyone take this break to help Big Leon in our place. Go do it. Nike. I'll do it too. Wait a second. Reddit. Fucking excellent. Alright, y'all. Here we go. Here I am. I know. Wait a second. It's beneath the elephant. Is the elephant still here? Please be here. That was my marker. Elephant? Oh, I found it. Here's the elephant. Big Leon. Big Leon looks mostly fine. There we go. Oh god, never mind. I see the bottom. I understand now. It closes today. I don't have lemon is my problem. Y'all, you see this? We need to fix it. My god. Wait, was this us? I think it was, yeah? Somebody turning Leon's eyes a different color. Go save it. We need to go get. We can't get got. Same, redev. Learning Git branching? Ooh, I wrote. Ooh. Show you how this works? I can't do anything right now because it only goes every 5 seconds, but you like click somewhere and you lay a tile with a specific color. You can mess up somebody else's like someone is doing to us because they're fucking rude, or you can put down a helpful color, right? Save it, my pretties. It's getting worse, my god. Oh, also Slaggy, just saw you drank. I think I've been drinking enough to have fulfilled that. Thank you, Stinkerton. If you look for, he's at 1616,536. Or, yeah, about that. He's missing a pupil. And then, I always look for this elephant and I go down. And by always, I mean so much because guess who's been doing this all fucking weekend? What's my favorite personal project I have going on? Where do I find inspiration for it? Ah. Wait a second. Alright, y'all. I didn't have this many people last time, so I didn't really need to use this. But if you do exclamation point questions, I will see your questions and I will not miss it. So I'm sorry if I've missed your questions. My favorite project has been my Native American language preservation project where I'm making an online talking dictionary. So basically you can just search through the dictionary, find the term, and hear it is the most important part. Thank you for all the follows. You can watch this from the beginning later. Stretch, alright. And I got the inspiration for that basically just by being passionate about language preservation, I guess. How many holes are in a straw? 1. I am not Native American. I just respect them very much. Okay. I've never done hacker rank test. I'm trying to drink shit. Y'all, it's getting worse. Someone is trying to wipe us out. Is this Poland? I think this is Poland. That or Indonesia. It's one or the other. Questions. Can you see my Anki? Sure, I guess. Alright, y'all do exclamation point questions and then you enter it into the GitHub, into the form in Google, okay? I did see the XQC shit. Can you create a repo on GitHub from the terminal? I think so. Have I done it in a while? Nah. Anybody else want to add into that? Is a hot dog a sandwich? Technically, yes. It depends on your definition of a sandwich. I thought so, Eric. But we know, god damn it, but I wasn't sure. I get questions in my brain. My Anki looks like this. Okay, no judgment. Haven't done it in a while. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Hello? So this is what it looks like. Lol. Who's super behind on there? Anki me, it's me. Hello. It's me. It me. At what point did I catch on during my 100 devs cohort? At the very goddamn end. The very end. When I started doing my 100 hours project. Did not really understand it before then. Wait, I gotta, me TBH. I gotta fix this. Stop it, mother. Stop it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna keep that over here because we need to save that shit. No, I'm not doing Anki right. I don't think there is a right way to do Anki, okay? Except for actually doing it, okay? Ads, right on. GitHub CLI is really great. You can pretty much do almost everything in the terminal without using the website. Nice. There's a lot I still don't know that I don't do. So, thank you for liking the organization. I just wish I fucking studied it. Wishes. Stop shaking hand. I mean, mental RAM, you're not supposed to share your Anki deck because, like, the process of making the cards helps you study. So, like, we could, but, like, it wouldn't be helpful to you in the end. Hi. Just wanted to say hi. Hello. When did I stop using Anki? Did I use it every day? You're not really a big fan of it, to be honest, but you want to stick with it if it's useful. It's useful. I fell off the Anki train like a month into the cohort. It's okay. I did. And then when I started the job hunt, then I started doing it every day. And then when I stopped the job hunt, I stopped, so yeah. How long was it to get a job once the cohort ended for you? 5 months. But I started looking like in January, not when the cohort ended. Because I didn't feel ready. Is the ad over? I didn't have any coding knowledge before the 100 devs cohort. 0. Absolutely 0. Alright. I feel like things stuck when I started using them. like when I started making my project, it started sticking. The unfun truth about Anki decks is that really it's the best to make your own. Exactly. I am employed, but just a baby employment. Actually, right after this stream, I'm gonna go to stream my job. Okay, remember, exclamation point questions with an S, and then you have to go to the Google form and enter the question in. I'm gonna lose all your questions, just so you know. Okay, alright, we gotta keep going. What is baby employment? 10 hours a week. You can click all the redemptions, like you can hydrate me, or you can get like a, what is it called? You can watch a Parrot video, or etc, etc, etc. Okay, here we are, okay? We just did get in it, okay? So, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do git commit, okay? So I'm going to write git commit. This is slightly off my screen. Wait a second. Git commit -m. It has to be the double quotation marks. I found out today. I do work from home. Pedro, put it in the Google Forms, and I will answer that later. Okay. Git commit, and then I'm gonna add a somewhat descriptive description of like what this is. So I'm gonna say coding challenge and solution for 422 coding challenge. That is very much almost always like what I write. Git commit, okay? JK, lol. I need to do git add first. That's what this is telling me. So to do that, I can do this two ways. I can say git add name of the file, blah, 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 blah. Or I can just do git add period, which means you're grabbing all of the untracked files and adding them to the stage. So if we look at git status right now, it's saying, guess what? This is staged. It is not committed, but we're ready to go there. Git add -a also works. Oh, wow. I don't know git commit -v. I don't know that at all. What does that do? Okay, so git, I'm gonna go to my old one, this one. I did that by clicking up 3 times. It goes through your past, like what you've written in the terminal. You do need to download Git, I believe, Gokawa. Yeah, like right, I said git commit -m. Oh, you know what? I haven't done the double -ms. This is all I do. So I'm gonna say enter. It says right now committed, but we haven't pushed it up to the remote repo yet. So I drop time. All right. I don't know what the -v does, honestly. And I've never used Vim, lol. Okay, I drop timed. Is very emotional about this. Wow. Okay, so if we try to do git push right now, it's not gonna work because we haven't connected our remote repo yet. So we go back to here and I just copy this and I enter it in here. Why did I skip this? This is basically the default branch in GitHub is master, and masters has some bad connotation. So this is just making your main branch main, not master, okay? Hi, Emerald. So I am lazy and I just skip that most of the time and just go to this one, okay? I enter that, I copy it, entered, okay? Then I say git push. This isn't gonna work either because we haven't set the upstream branch. So I like to copy this, enter it, great. Guess what we just set as our upstream? We set that remote repository. Upstream just means this is where the code is going. This is the remote repository it's going to, okay? And when we did that, it committed that commit. So if we write git status again to check our git status, all of our commits are up there already. Okay? And if we look at this, if we reload it again, there it is, motherfucker. Holy shit. Sexy as hell. Oh my god. How about that? Am I creating a new repo for each coding challenge? No. I made a new repo for this, but it's one big folder, and then for each coding challenge, I do a folder within this folder which has like app.js or some JS file that has the coding challenge in it. Yeah, you do. If you haven't changed it to main, you do. But I literally copied what it told me to do, coding coma. Okay, so we just did that. Now, y'all were being like, you know what? You didn't really take the edge cases into account. Alright, Perishable, but we gotta start somewhere, right? We can't all be fantastic devs like you. At least initially. Yeah. Like O'Ross says, you can organize this however you want. I like to organize by date. Okay? So, now that we have this, what were y'all saying? I needed to, if I'm given an empty array, it's going to return as undefined. So, how would I take that into account? I'm trying to think about that. If array is just empty brackets, right? Like that. You have to do array.length. Can I ask why? Oh, I see. Because then it means that there's nothing in it. I still get really confused about 2 versus 3 equal signs, by the way. So, we're going to say return. Well, we can say if that's the case, then we console log array is invalid. Else. And then we're going to put this in here. How does that look? I didn't know that Telescope Thieves. Thanks for... Look at me learning. We're learning shit. Hell yeah. So to test this out, we can do console.log doubled. And then we can do... Oh yeah. Yes. Okay. Let's see if this works. I don't know type of perishable, that's why. What is type of? Okay. So it is running this one, and because it's undefined, it's returning array is invalid. Okay? Does that make sense? Does that good for edge cases, y'all? Is exactly like smart writer. Thank you. Let's do let's do that. Holy cow. My tea is gone, did you know? Cries. Or how did you write? Array equals undefined. It doesn't love it. Oh, it's because I didn't do that. Okay. JK lol. Drank. Okay. Why didn't 468 double? It did. what that means is, again, we're putting, oh, wait a second. Hold up, wait a second. Oh no, see, so this is what we put in. We put in 2, 3, and 4, and that's what it gave us. And this is what we were supposed to get, so it's the same. There will be a VOD, Daniel. Undefined before the other one? Where did it go? Oh, I don't think I did it in here. Lol, array equals undefined, or, there you go. Okay. All right, now that we've done this and it works again, I'm gonna be like, you know what? I kind of want to say that, like, I want to publish this on the 3rd. Doesn't make a lot of sense the way I just did it, but we're gonna backdate, okay? I'm like, you know what? I want it to look like it's on the 3rd because then I get double the green squares. So to do that, I say get status because I want to check it out. It's saying I modified it, okay? So I do get add cc 2022-0404 app.js, okay? It's added to our staging area. You see? You see? Okay. Now we're going to do get commit. We're going to have our message. We're going to say add edge cases to coding challenge. I forgot what that was called. From 4.4. Okay? We just did that. This is where it changes. Smelly Badger, thank you for the sub, for gifting the sub. Okay, this is the part you want to pay attention to. This is the backdating part. Get commit dash dash amend dash dash date equals, you do your little apostrophes or whatever, 2022 0403, because we want to have it on the 3rd of April. Okay, gotta close those. Y'all got that? Get commit dash dash amend dash dash date equals apostrophes the date you want in that format. Close it. Okay, enter it. It's gonna do this. You're gonna be like, oh my god, how do I get out of this? At least that's what I did. I was like, the fuck? And I couldn't get out of this because you you try and write stuff. That was so hard for me to say. You try and write stuff and it won't let you. So what you want to do now, you want to click escape. You want to click : WQ, enter. You out. You out. Goodbye, prison. Okay. Now I do get push. It's going up. It's going up, motherfucker. Okay. Now, let's go back here. It doesn't perishable, but that's okay. We're not going to do all of it. I do the date change before the push. Yes, I think you can do it afterwards. WQ means write and quit. I didn't know that. I was just like, why does this work? Okay. I'm going to do it again, Shogo. So if you look down here, oh my god, look at that. That's our backdated commit. You just need 1 for a green square. The more you do, the more intense it gets. I don't know, Rossi. Holding down on building our place, waiting for things to calm down. Don't want to poke the bear. Alright, good to know, Grad Kane. Okay. Let me look at some of the questions before we do this again. Because we are going to do it again. Again and again. Alright. Let me see if there are any questions I did not answer. Can I let you know what my setup is? if you go to the about section on my channel, I give you like, I don't think I give you my keyboard, it's just an Amazon Prime keyboard, but I give you this, like the data or the whatever, the deets on all of the rest of it. I do upload all my codewars to GitHub because I gotta get those green squares. I got a little obsessive about it, TBH. There you go. Born posted it. Where did I find a 10-hour-a-week job? All internships you've seen only go as low as 20 hours a week. I'm going to combine that with what was the interview process at my first job like, and where do I work now? I'm at my first job. So what I did, I will get there again, conflict. We'll do it again. See you, Kama. You can go back as long as you want, I think. Wait a second. There, that's what it looks like. You do git -- amend -- date equals quotation marks. Then you write the date like 2022-04-03 or whatever you want to do. Close it. After you're done with that, you'll enter it. It will throw you into Vim. You'll do escape : WQ enter and then git push. But we're gonna do that again, okay? I do upload everything to GitHub, everything. So I got my first job by networking. I looked at a bunch of like empty job listings and I never really applied. I just like messaged people. So I went to a women in tech meetup, met a lady who was like, hey, you should apply for the senior Ruby dev position at this startup. And I was like, I'm not a senior and I don't know Ruby. But I chatted with her anyway, and she's like, well, you don't know senior, no, not a Ruby, but let's keep in touch and shit, okay? And then like a week later, she was like, so I was thinking like we kind of need to get some publicity for our like extension in VS Code and JetBrains. Do you want to like do that? And I was like, yeah. And like, sweet, 10 hours a week. And that's how that happened. See ya, Lee. Does that make sense? That's kind of a condensed version, but yeah. Network. I'm gonna do it actually right after this stream. My second stream for them. They were like, how do you want to how do you want to interact with the dev community? And I was like, I think Twitch is the best way. So I stream for them. They will be watching, yes. Pairs, will I see you being biased towards Ruby? You're more curious about the application of the command. Is it if we had a prior commit that we wanted to push to our repo, but we wanted to change the date? Yeah, I think so. I think you can, like, whatever your last commit was, you can change the date for that as well. Yeah, so git add period adds everything that is changed, like that you changed the files, to the staging area. Why is push giving you an error? I would have to have more information about the XMCI. Thank you, one trade away. Green squares are pushes to the remote repo on GitHub. Hey, I am Ghost. Let me see. Did I kind of start dreaming in code when I actually started to get it? No. No. I still don't really get it. Good for me. Lol. Yeah. The company I work at is called Appland BT Dubs. Do I do front end or back end for work? Right now it's more back end, but it's streaming, so kind of neither. Lol. Okay, those are all the questions. Let's do this again. Okay. Again, we need to have that repo, and it's connected. Front end, definitely redev. I'm a very visual person. Back end has been extremely difficult for me. Cries. Great. This is a lot of work, yes. So, I liked to, when I was filling all this out, look back at where I hadn't, like I had a space, okay? I would pick a place like this, okay? It's got 3. I'm going to say February 23rd, 2022. Now, you'll see why in a second, okay? I'm going to say Coding Challenge 2022, 02/23, okay? Then I'm going to add app.js to it. The meaning of the squares is just that you committed and pushed up. If you add the -m in your commit message to your amend command, it works and doesn't put you into Vim. We should try that next. I've never tried that before. All right. Thank you, Squirreled One. I also prefer front-end coding. Right on, Folkman. Okay, we're going to do this one again. Like I said, I'm going to give you exactly what I did. Exactly. Ready? Okay, I'm going to grab all of this, okay? I'm going to enter it. I'm going to turn it into comments. Now, when I was like freaking spamming green squares, I'd save this and I'd commit it. Just like that. Not even with like an attempt. So I'd say get status, get add, because I just want to see what's up. And you can see now it's staged, okay? Get commit -m. Yes, just for CBD. Because I don't do a lot with branching perishable. I don't do so much with it. I still need to learn more about it. TBH, like I said, do I know what I'm doing? Not really. But I know what this is. Okay. Get commit, add coding challenge for, oh yeah, 2/23/22. Okay. Now I'm gonna get commit -- Thank you, Mark. Okay, we're doing our backdating again. So we're doing get commit -- amend, and then, oh Rossi, you said that we could put in the -m and the commit message up in here? Right after here? At the end after the date? Okay. Wait, okay. So we do -- amend -- date equals, here I'm gonna scroll, wait, no, I can't scroll up, I guess, equals quotation marks or apostrophe, whatever, 2022. You want to be pushing this to the date that you want to be pushing it to. It was named from Chad Gladman. So why did I pick a stretch of 3? Because this is the day, the 22nd is the day I'm going to push the description. This is the day I'm going to push my answer. And then the third day is generally the day I push Leon's answer because I don't ever fucking get the right answer. Thanks for the follows, y'all. So, I'm going to say 02/22. Okay? Close. And then we're going to try this. -m. Add coding challenge for 2/23/22. Okay? Enter. What, did it do it? I don't think it did. I do push Leon's answers in case I want to go back, because I will write all my attempts. If it's like failed and I don't get it in the 20 minutes, I'll write whatever it is, and then when I like find the answer, I'll write myself through it, like, oh, this is what they did, this is what I did wrong. And if I come back to it, then I'll do another attempt in the same file, for example. Oh, I do? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I always prefer single quotes. There we go. But did this push it? I don't think it did. Get push. Okay, it didn't push it. Thank you all. Okay. We did it again. We're going to check back here. This is the square we're looking for. It's the 4th of April, y'all. Fucking check it out. Yeah, a lot of people are asking Trizzy, so there you go. Okay, so this is literally me just like trying to get those green squares. We didn't even try and solve it. Let's try and solve it now. And then this one we're gonna push to the 23rd, right? Pan said the Discord. Okay, all right. Convert a number to a... Actually, we can't solve this in 10 seconds. I wish. Maybe when I've been coding for 20 years. Thank you all for the follows. And the subs if I've missed any. Okay, break time. Break time. I think the commands are the same just for CBD. If they're not, people, let me know. Alright, y'all. I think I'm gonna go get some more tea. Because coughing is still a thing that I'm trying to suppress. Go to our place. Go save us unless we're still taking a break. Or get up and walk away and don't look at the screen. The one trick recruiters don't want you to know. They don't actually care about green squares. I don't know. Shh, don't say it. Alright, I'm going to be back. I'm going to go get some tea. Make sure you look away from your screen for a little bit, okay? Alright, I'm back. I made the tea. Made it. Just gotta steep it for a sec. Thank you all for the follows, subscriptions if I haven't seen. If you have questions, exclamation point questions with an S, and then you go to the Google form and enter in there, okay? I don't know what SHIB is. I don't know what we're talking about here. What is GME? What is SHIB? Questions with an S, purple shadow. I really should change it to question. That's what everyone keeps writing. Stonks, don't worry about it, Rufio. Alright. Let's go again. Another one. Alright, did I get any more questions? Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Oh, I think I got one. What does the repo on GitHub look like? Is it visible that the date was amended? Yeah, so if you look at the actual repo, you can't be so sneaky. So you see here that I added it for 2:23 and it says 7 minutes ago. So technically it recognizes that I did it today, but it also recognizes that the official date was like 2:23 or 2:22 or whatever that. Okay. Crypto? Why I never. Yo. Game the system. I need to drink this immediately. Why gotta be so fucking hot? Hello? Hello? I'm trying to scroll down my pictures. Smile? Did you like that smile? I did not do freelancing. I should do freelancing, but I did not ever do freelancing. Lol. Woof. Yikes. I think it's really funny that I'm streaming for all y'all because I was not a good example of a student. I'm drinking spicy ginger tea or something. Something like that. I don't know. With green tea, maybe? By adjusting your commit dates, would that cause issues when it comes to reverting them? I don't know. I've never reverted them. Does anyone know the answer to that? You're stuck in Code Wars with removing duplicates from an array. Any tips? I would just say if like the element is equal to the element, then pop or something. Or you could use set, but I don't think they've learned set yet. Oh, set does remove duplicates. That actually would be quite fast and efficient. How much do coding challenges apply to actual coding? I don't think very much. What do you think, Perishable and other fancy peoples? I think it's great. It makes me more relatable. Thank you. Half-assing Tim for the win! There you go. Heard it from blood. Alright, let's do... Okay, this like... I'm using my brother's mouse and it has a cord, and the cord keeps going slippy, and so I keep slipping off of my desk, and I just don't like that. So I'm going to wrap around the back of my computer. Cool. They help with interviews, also help you build the foundations, and encourage you to learn more methods. So there you go. Okay, let's do this coding challenge. Let me give you the number. See, I didn't forget this time. I'm so smart. I don't know if that's intelligence as much as just forgetfulness. I don't know. There you go. That's the one we're working on right now. Wow, my voice just went really weird. How many coffee chats have I done? Over 70. I used the fuck out of like Lunch Club. Okay. You need to actually build stuff though. Otherwise you don't learn application over theory. Exactly. I posted it above, but it's 8Q still. Still never had one. Okay. So we want to convert the number to a reversed array of digits. Okay. Given a random non-negative number, you have to return the digits of this number within an array in reverse order. Example, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is one number. Then you turn it into an array, split everything up, and just flip it around. And that's what you return. Don't tell me how to do it. Don't tell me how to do it. I'll figure it out. And if I don't, I'll ask you, okay? All right. So, hello? We're doing this again. Prep. Parameters. Are you ever given an empty array? What then? Are you always given digits? Yeah, I just picked a random one Pinnock at the Discord. Are you always given digits? Yeah. Or undefined. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. It's gotta return whatever number was given. It is now in and split up into an array, and the order of the numbers reversed. Hey, hippie. All right. Then we're going to do the examples. Again, we're going to say if we were given that number, it would yield this. 9. Well, this is going to take a long time. Wait a second. I'm going to do this in not comment form because this is going to be really fucking sucky. 2. This is still really fucking sucky. Why did I pick such a long number? 3. This is okay. We're only going till 8. Lol. Woof. 8 should be, actually I did this wrong. 8 3 2 9. That's what we should get. Okay? And then hello? Never mind. I don't know. Might give up. No, yes. Created a PR on this code war on your repo. I haven't done that much with PR, so maybe oh, thanks. I don't know where I got the strings. That makes this a lot easier to write. Thank you. We could try doing PRs. I don't have that much experience with that, so maybe it would be a good thing actually, because then we would all be learning. Okay. Ooh, we could do 3 3. Damn it. Dash. Okay. 3 3 0 would give us 0 0 3 3. We want to do 3 examples, and then we're gonna say undefined. PRs are pull requests, so it means that someone else went to your repo and modified they copied your code onto their computer, they modified it, they pushed it back up and said, I want you to make this change on your code. You can approve or not approve that. True, BS. True. So if we're given undefined, we probably want it to return not a number or something. Okay. Pseudocode. Make a function that takes in a number, not an array yet. We're going to write that really quick. Function reverse array. Shit, I never pushed that other one I never put that other one into my code word, so I never got the cred. It's okay. Number. Okay, now we're going to continue with that. I want it to do that. We want to... Isn't split an array method, y'all? I think it is. Don't tell me how to do it. Just tell me if that's actually the case. Thank you. Okay. So, make number a string and split that baby. Then, we're gonna say reverse. Wait. It's number string and split that baby. And puts it into an array, right? No, it isn't. Oh, yeah, sorry. I meant, is it a string method? Sorry. Yes, is it a string method? And it turned it into an array. So reverse array, and then make array integers again. And make array integers and return. Okay. Okay. So we can use split as long as it's on a string. So to make it a string, we've got to grab num. We're gonna say, wait a second. Yeah. ToString, right? I think that's a thing. Yeah. So we just made it a string. Then we're gonna tack on split. And split says, okay, you got a bunch of characters. I'm gonna separate them based on whatever you put in here. So if I just do this, this is, okay, every single character, I'm gonna make it a different element in the array. That's exactly what I want. If I do a space, it will split like based on spaces. So like entire words, for example. It isn't a string of numbers, it's just numbers, right? So that's what I want. We're going to split that baby. And then we're going to reverse that baby. Oh, hello. And then we are going to join that baby. Wait. No, we're not going to join that baby. Then I want to make this into a new what's it called? Variable. Because that makes this easier. If I say new variable, which is the number which was changed into a string, which was split and then it was reversed, and then I'm gonna wrap it in a number. I think that's how you do this. And I'm gonna return it. Thanks, Perishable. See you later. Use map to make integer items. In theory, maybe you could do this way as well. So we're gonna try it. I think number works that way. We're about to find out, aren't we? Lol. Except we didn't put in any test cases. So let's do that. We're gonna say reverse array. And then we're gonna say, oh, we already did these ones. So hello. We're gonna say, given this number, and then it should return this array of numbers. Y'all, somehow like the spam callers got my number today. I've gotten like 10 calls. The fuck? Another way we could do parse int. Isn't there just number? Can't you just do number? No, there's no raffle today because Leon's not getting all up in here. So would I tack on parse int at the end? I can't do number? Oh, not on an array. F-U-C-K. F-U-C-K. Fuck. Well, maybe. If that's the case. didn't join them, no. OMG, Leon be up in here, y'all. Holy cow. Alright, we could do a raffle when we're done with this coding challenge. Oh, there's no check in here. Okay, so parse int, y'all. Also, welcome, Leon. Parse int, how do I use parse int again? I forget. Same as number, you just put in front? Learning is fun. Like this? Okay, bien. Oh my god. Learning is the best. I love it. Okay. Remember, there are two different ways to do this. We can do it this way. We're putting in the number, we're just running the function. This is what it should return. Or we can do the same thing, reverse array, and put in this number, okay? Yeah, I think this music is not copyright, whatever, blah, 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 blah. So let me change the music really quick. Hold up. Here we go. Actually, yes. Okay. Anyway, I can't do that. It does ask for an array. I want to make the strings, the string elements, integers. Yeah, I can, Shogo. I have to map it, like, absolutely, like, I can't do the thing that I'm doing, because, like, I already came this far, you know what I'm saying? Okay, we can map, but, like, is there any way we can, like, not map, just maybe? Is there any way to salvage this the way it be? Parse int takes a string number and tries to parse it into an integer. I don't want to do map. I want to do what I'm doing because I'm petty and a child. Fine. Fine. Alright, but you know what? This is actually a really good thing to happen. This apparently is not going to work. Ooh. Ooh. Toto. Ooh. Ooh. Fresh. Like a strawberry. Oh, I forgot to do this. Lol. Hello? Hello? I just want to be friends. Oh, shit. 3:30. And then the second part of this just says, this is a thing we want. So this is basically like what my comments would be. Like, the equivalent of this is this. That's why we're doing the console log. If this doesn't work, so be it. Okay? So be it. Because we're going to learn from this. It did not work. Fuck. Okay. But like it didn't error. And I feel like that's a win. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for the follows, everyone. Okay, so this doesn't win, which makes this even better. I'm so bad at Code Wars that when I like don't get it in the 20 minutes, I'll leave whatever attempt I had and then I'll go explain it. So we're saying here, can't do it this way. Have to use map. Woof. Okay? Very much what I would write, actually, though. I won't tell it to my interviewer. I'm telling it to you because we're friends. I'm against using map because I already did this and I'm a petty motherfucker. Okay. So, we're going to say get status, okay? Birds don't woof, that's true, but squawk just doesn't have the same ring. Caw, maybe? Caw. Number.map. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. We're gonna put a little hold on that, okay? Who's Ruth? I don't know. Who is that? Git add all, okay? We're just adding this thing, and then we're gonna say git commit dash dash amend, because we're gonna skip that first commit step because apparently we can, because we learned stuff today. Dash dash date. Remember, we're backdating because sneaky. 2022 0223. That is the date I want this to be, and then I can say dash m, and then I can say add attempt at 223 coding challenge. Okay? Enter. Not pushed yet. Git push. Okay? OMG. Okay, so this is basically what's saying is like, hey, did you know that your remote branch is actually further ahead than this one? You gotta fix that. To fix this, you say git pull. That's one of my extensions, by the way. Shh, you don't know. Failed. Okay. 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 I see how it is. I'm slightly bitter. Toggle file blame. File blame? I just wanted this to work. Don't embarrass me. I'm on camera. God. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Normally. What's wrong, baby? Lol. Accept income. Oh, fuck. Don't accept incoming change. Okay. Oh, we did it. Happy for us, probably, hopefully. I'm hoping for us. Git push. Git pull. Did I say git pull? Rude. Mom! You're embarrassing me in front of my friends. Git merge. You try it. It hated that. I actually haven't used git merge, so. Dash dash please. Yes. Oh, this isn't even saved. Git status. Git add. You finish your changes before merging, rude. Okay, fine. Git commit. I probably should have added a message. We're here now, though. I'll be honest, I'm really confused as to what's happening right now, but that's okay. What is git comment AM? Fatal. Dead. D-E-D. Dead. Git pull normally fixes it with me. It's just being a little drama queen. Let's check this drama queen. Drama queen didn't push. Bless. Bless. We're fantastic. Who even knew that was very confusing? Holy shit, wow. Did you see that mistake? Because it just got pushed. You can, Rossi. We aren't quite done with this one yet, but now, do you remember how I picked a 3-day stretch? Look, there's another day for the correct answer. Level 6, holy shit, we're not quite there. I've only ever done a level 7. Okay. I may be petty, but okay, I guess we'll do map. Now, I'm just going to put this below. I'm going to keep that there. I don't want to delete it. I want to remember it forever. Forever and ever. And ever. But I'm going to copy it. But I'm going to paste it as well. So All right. So this didn't work, and now I'm sad. Why this didn't work? Because you can't use number on... You can use number on a string, but not an array of strings. Ooh, I didn't know that, JC. But then you don't get out a commit message. But then I guess I don't know. Okay, so the spread operator should have grabbed everything in it too, and it didn't work, and we're upset. Anyway, let's go again. Let's try this. Shh, we gotta finish this really quick. Num dot map Will someone explain Parrot to me? I haven't really ever used it. Try not to do spoilers. Help okay, but spoilers nah. Just like number? Okay. I'm just trying to figure out how this would work with map. Hello. Okay. So, given an element, okay. You're welcome, Maura. I'm feeling grumpy because I'm feeling like I'm not sure how to do this. Num.map. Grab each element and then... Or do you split it before? I think you split it before. I think you do. Let's try that. Nah? The first line of my last attempt? A great start. Yeah. Okay, so I think I gotta split this shit. Okay. Now it is split. We have more ads? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna console log this, but we can't move forward till people are done. Good morning, Adams. You know what? If we're doing ads right now, we could do our raffle right now as well. Technically, we are supposed to be on a break, but I just really wanted to finish it, but it's okay. Let's do a break. It's not going to be our half-an-hour break. I don't want to overwhelm y'all with too much break time, but let me prep for a raffle. How about that? I'm assuming it will be a t-shirt from Leon. Not sure, but I assume so. Overall ready. Well, we are taking a break now and we're doing a raffle, so. Wow. T-shirt. All right. T-shirt. 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 Chance. Okay. All right. My current one is like, oh, I thought it was 5 seconds. It was 5 minutes. Let's do a 2-minute raffle for a 100 devs t-shirt. It's not running yet. I like the snaffle though. All right. The giveaway has begun. Exclamation point raffle to enter. Thanks again, Leon, for hanging out and letting us do this fancy ass raffle. I'm gonna drink tea while I do this. I haven't been coughing. That's been good. exclamation point questions to get the Google Forms link if you want to ask a question. Be a good time to ask a question while y'all are doing that. For those of you that don't know, most of the people in here, including me, are in a free full stack JavaScript bootcamp called 100 Devs. That's the t-shirt that's going out. You can check out the stream with Leon at Learn with Leon on Twitch. And you can do exclamation point 100 devs as well if you want to go straight there. Any questions? This tea tastes like shit. Favorite JavaScript method to use? I don't know. I don't know if I have a favorite. Split, it's really easy. Map sometimes, except for right now, which is very confusing. Drank will do. I'm doing it anyway. Thank you for all the follows. We got 45 seconds left. Shaky hands, yay. Love it. I don't know why it's doing that. Hey Leon, do you have a stream today? Not today? All right, Raffle is shut down. Closed. Okay. All right, good to notice. Good to know. Notice? Words? One, thanks everybody. All right. For some reason it said the raffle was closed, but then the timer isn't. Pick winner. Subpar Sun. All right, y'all. I'm gonna be gone for a quick second. My mom's sister died, and she's calling me right now, so I will be right back, lol. That's what I was trying to say. Hey y'all, sorry for skedaddling for a second. Ironically, my mom wants me to order Domino's. Alright, thanks for hanging out, Panic at the Discord. Hey, Dom. Yeah, my aunt died today, and for some reason I'm not like... I don't feel a lot, like not... Like it's sad, but I'm not upset. Is that shitty of me? I feel like that's shitty of me. Thank you. Thank you for all your condolences. Also, congrats, Subpar Son. Thank you again, Leon, for letting us do that. Now that's human. So I studied abroad in Indonesia when I was 19, and my host aunt died of COVID in like a year ago. And when I found out she died, like sobbed for a straight hour because I felt like I was a lot closer to her than my actual aunt. And then when I found out my actual aunt died, I was like, oh, you doing good, Mom? And that was about it. So nah, it's all right. Thank you all. Thank you. Again, I'm fine. So, but my mom is not. Poor lady. Poor lady who needs Domino pizza. Domino's pizza. Pizza does heal. Pizza is medicine. I'm supposed to get a sausage and pepperoni, a Hawaiian, and then up to my choice, but probably half sausage one. Yeah. We're watching a Parrot video, y'all. Oh, sorry, Subpart. Send Leon a... What was it? A mod mail. Sorry about that. We'll watch a Parrot video and then we'll go, okay? YouTube. We want to watch more disco. Oh, and we got some more eye drops. Will do, Beth. Disco the parakeet. Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. So fucking cute. I've watched so many of these. This is a good one. We could watch this one. Let me pause. Yeah, isn't it wild, Dom? I appreciate y'all for being here. Bless. You make this stream so much fun. I love when people talk to me.
Wow.
Haha, yes. Yes. Thanks, Nebula. I don't know, Colars. Where? Oh, there.
Sweet baby. Are you a baby bird? Disco's a baby bird. Who's a baby bird? Disco's a sweet baby bird. Who's a baby bird? Disco is a baby. I love you, baby.
I love you, baby.
Love you, baby bird. Baby bird. Baby bird. Are you a pretty bird or a baby bird? Nobody puts baby bird in winner.
That's my favorite.
Baby bird. Never sing a
Yes.
baby bird.
Here it is
Never
actually
baby
singing this.
bird in winner. What seems to be the officer? I am not a crook. My name is Disco. I'm a parakeet. Gonna get that cheeseburger. What is
No.
cheeseburger?
Yeah.
Have a guess cheeseburger. Any kid has cheeseburger. A parakeet. What is it? A green bird that types. But that's not important right now.
That's not
Is
important.
that Atlas Brush Burger? Leave! I ain't set. Is that cheeseburger? I kissed the bird. I did. A parakeet. Just stay now to try. I kid has cheeseburger. Don't say do. Step bird died. I kissed the bird. I ate it. I kissed the bird. Died. Eve died. Said it. Say do. I kid has cheeseburger.
Right? This is fantastic.
I'm discouraged. I'd say is night it has cheeseburger. Eve I'd say is baby bird. I kissed the bird. I'm
Ooh.
discouraged.
All right, sweet
I kid
fast.
has cheeseburger. A parakeet gonna get the belly. green yellow bird that talks, but that's not important right now. Yakety yak.
Yakety yak.
Discoricious.
Discoricious.
You sink my battleship. Prepare a key. What is it? A green yellow bird that talks, but that's not important right now.
Seriously.
I kissed the bird. I did.
No, he's relaxing.
I'm a Dutch fat cheeseburger.
How did you like it? Apparently, so... Is this over? Apparently... Love the captions. So what they do with disco is, or what they did, this was in 2013 RIP, but what they did with disco is they would say phrases to him, but they would try and make it really like audio or audioly like, and that's crazy subpar, audioly entertaining. So instead of saying I kissed a bird and I liked it, they said I kissed a bird and I liked it, like that. Or what are the other ones? What seems to be the problem, officer? Instead of what seems to be the problem, officer, you know, etc. And then apparently he would just pick his favorites and just kind of go for it, you know. You sank my battleship burger. All right. Oh, let's go. He's a kid. Nobody puts baby bird in a corner. I love it. It pleases me. Okay. Where were we? Oh, we were... I forgot. I was stuck here. I gotta do it at 7:30 Eastern time. So, in an hour. We're still doing it. Ari only. We're still doing it. We're stuck, but we're still doing it. Lol. Great, Nebula. I'm glad you hung out. Showed up. Hung out. That's what I was trying to say, both. Yeah, so I'm going to split this. That's going to make it... Oh, wait. No. If I split it, it has to be a 2-string. I have to use this, like... Go to the first function I wrote and just return the array. Let's see, what's your output? Okay. You're trying to sink my battleship burger? Okay. So that's exactly what I wanted. I just didn't know how to turn it into numbers. Just map my old answer, but like how? Map through and turn it into a number? I am not exactly sure where they are right now, Cloris. Does anyone know the specs on our place? I'm glad I didn't put you to sleep. Think of the order, string, split, map. Wait. Wait, Lena, you didn't cancel in for the stream, did you? Because, like, you didn't need to do that. I appreciate it, but you didn't need to do that. Yeah, so couldn't I have just, like, used what I was doing? Couldn't I have this exact thing and then I map through num array? Yeah, I know, piece of shit. I was trying to figure it out, but I couldn't figure it out. Like, so is this what we're saying? And we say, given E, turn to parse int E? Alright, I can look up little Leon. Right. Hold up, y'all. Let's bring this back. So, Big Leon looks like 1620, 535. And then to find Little Leon, I always look for this flag. There you go. 841, 543. I am doing Code Wars, yes. Let me place a whatever it's called. I always look for the elephant. Where's the elephant? Elephant. There's the elephant. And what do you need help with? Maybe minimize it for now. Okay, so if we copy this content, this is not pretty, but that's okay. So reverse numarray.map, and you just return it. I think that worked. Wait, so why was I making such a big deal about it when I was literally like one step away? The only difference is we did map. I mean props, but like confusion? Alright, let's walk through this. Do understanding stuff. Understanding brains, that's what I'm saying. Alright, so we make an array, and by an array I mean we make a function that takes a number. We want to take this number, we want to chop that baby up, stick it in an array, but make sure it's numbers and then flip the order. So to do that, we make a new variable where we take in that previous number, we turn it to a string, then we split it. We have to turn it to a string because split won't work on a number. And then we're able to reverse it since it's already all split. Split makes each, or takes each character and sticks it as an individual element into the array. Thanks y'all for all the follows. I appreciate you. Then they're all reversed at this point, right? Then we're gonna take that new variable, we're gonna map through it. We're saying given every element, turn it into a number. So we can't use number here. Why would you do reverse at the end, Bloodstrive? Anyway, and then you return it, and the return is what gives it back to you, as opposed to just executing it. I can do numbers at %? What's the benefit of one versus the other? Okay, so remember, we have 3 commits so far. So there's this one, or 2 commits I guess, where I just added the problem. Then the second commit was this unfinished, unsuccessful attempt. And the third commit is gonna be the successful attempt. And then normally I add just needed to map through and make each string element into an integer. Because then if I ever look back, I explained it to myself, you know? Map number for shorter. Yeah, you can show your solution, Rita. Rita. Parse integer takes in another argument. Other than that, you don't remember. Each on a different day, exactly, Nebula. You know, you're playing the game. Return string n. Just turn it into a string, splitting it based on each character. then mapping through, making it just a number, okay, and then reversing it. It's public BS. All right, there we go. Now, the third day we're gonna do, because we picked that 3-day stretch, right? We did this one, now we're doing this one. Okay, so February 24th. We're gonna say, words are so hard. Status, get status. No. Okay, save. Now we're gonna say get status again. Now we're gonna say get add all. Then we're gonna say get commit dash dash amend dash dash date equals quotation marks 2022 0224 close quotations. Then we're going to say dash M. Then we're going to do our message. Add solution to coding challenge from 2/23/22. Enter. Now all we have left to do is push it. Git push. Yeah, Colaris, we are doing a code war. Why does this keep happening? I think it's because I'm trying to put everything on one line. This is what I think. This normally shouldn't happen, y'all. This is the second time, too. Alright, we have to go check, see. Accept current change. That's what we wanted. Git push. I never get pulled, huh? Bro, how did I get rid of this last time? I'm never doing it that way again. I'd rather be in Vim than deal with this. I merged it? I know, but I did. Oh, I didn't save it. Git pull. Rude. The same get merge, right? It's not working. Y'all. Hey, Mohammed. Add and commit. Ah. Thank you. And then we're in Vim anyway. Escape, colon, W, Q, enter. Did it push it? Or do I need to push it? Congrats, 2 dimes. Boom, baby. Alright, git push. It really is not supposed to be that hard. I think it's the one-liney thing that's giving us shit. That makes sense, right? Alright. Now we look back here. Refresh. Oh my god. Look. We just backdated all of that. Is it cheating though? Or is it playing the game? Alright, let's take a 5-minute break because I have to order my mom's pizza. Oh, wow. I have to get sausage and pepperoni and a Hawaiian and a miscellaneous pizza. Order all of us pizza? Lol. Domino's. Domino's. They're actually quite good. It is from Domino's, actually. A miscellaneous pizza? You'll never know. Mother truck. Let me put in my password. Mother trucker, dude, that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. I started streaming 2.5 hours ago, Blood. Okay, let me... Surprise toppings. Yeah, they said that I should get another meat pizza, but I'm a vegetarian. I don't want to get a meat pizza. I don't want to get a meat pizza. Because then I have to pick it off, and then I don't even get to eat the cheese. You know what I'm saying? Apparently Leon canceled it, Carter. Okay. Welcome, welcome. I don't think I'm gonna get any of these pizza tonight. Rip. It's okay. Hawaiian for the win. Peppers and onions. I don't actually like... I'm still going for another hour, Carter. Half veg, half meat. You know what the best one is? Alfredo sauce, cheese, and feta cheese. That's what I want to order. I'm very tempted. Oh, fig. Oh. Pineapple on pizza, yes. Yes, pineapple on pizza. Hell yeah. She wants 3 pizzas. Should I get... large or medium? It is the bomb. Seriously, though. Is this what you came for? Helping Rufio order pizza? Large, always. Only 3 extra large? Shit, there's no coupon for that. Hell yeah, redev. Alright, we're doing large, and then we're gonna say boring tomato sauce, and we get 2 toppings, and they want meat and meat. Sausage and pepperoni. Boring. Yuck. Not a fan. Thanks, Everfly. Eggplant. I've never had eggplant on pizza. Curious. I would try it. Artichoke on pizza. Artichoke. Am I right? Because yes. The answer to that is yes, I am. But you know who doesn't have artichoke? Fucking Domino's. Oh. We got ads. So the second pizza was supposed to be Hawaiian. Fuck yeah, it was. I think I'm gonna do this last pizza my style, y'all. And I won't even get to eat my pizza and it'll be sad. Where's Silent Bob? But I get 2 toppings, so feta, and I could put on... Shh, we know, baby. I still gotta order this pizza. We could put spinach on, but that doesn't work very well. Onions? I don't know. Mushrooms. Mushrooms? I think so. The children will hate this pizza. There are no anchovies, but also I'm a vegetarian, so no. Alright. Have y'all actually ever had anchovies on pizza? I always thought it was just like a thing that people said, you know? So good, huh? It's not great. We got some different opinions here. Salty fish. Alright. Kind of like feta cheese. Oh, really, Nebula? Huh. I'm almost done ordering the pizza, I promise. I know this is the content you came for, was me ordering pizza, but... I've had New York pizza exactly 1 time. Because I've been to New York City exactly 1 time. Very different from my state. extremely very much. Wow. Fuck. She didn't tell me the expiration date. Oh god, y'all. Wait a second. Gotta go on mute and shit. I apologize. I apologize. Looks like we're using my credit card and not my mom's. FYI, y'all, the reason why we're spending time on this is because my mom's sister died and she needs some consolation pizza. And you know what? I feel like that's a good thing to do. Thanks, Mohammed. I'm good. She's not. Consolation pizza. Alright. Cool. Alright. Let's get back to coding. Pizza is over, all. Pizza is over. Okay. Let's keep going. Hashtag yay. So, we just finished doing our little streak, you know? Orasi, you were gonna pick the next code words, right? Thanks, Mohammed. The music right now is Careless Wager by Harris Heller, Stream Beats. Wait, so what part do you like, what parts are you comfortable with, or like what parts haven't, or like what parts have you seen, I should say. When are you gonna use our Domino's API to order pizza? Like that would be bomb actually. So. You got here at the Parrot scene. So, did you see us backdate commit? Use discount code Leon. Okay. Do you mind if we do another Code Wars and then I show you while we're doing that? Okay. The pizzas were pepperoni and sausage, Hawaiian, and Alfredo cheese with feta and mushrooms. Thanks for the follow, everyone. Alright, Orasi, are you still here? Because if you are, you're picking the next Code Wars. Another array. If Orasi's still here, it's really up to them, but I can look just in case they aren't here. I'm gonna say JavaScript. Cheese sticks with feta are really good. Never tried it actually. Most completed. 8Q. Filter out keys. What? Okay. Arrays. Hoorays. That was punny. I was pleased by it. We just did this one. Oh, I should turn it in and win. Gotta get the cred. Am I right? I think this is the one that we did, right? No, this isn't. Surprise, shoddy. It's okay, I'll fix it later. Oh, really, Kwana? Mine isn't pushing me. I'm 7Q, technically. It's not the same because it's a random one. It's similar, but it's not the same. Should we do Lost Without a Map? I don't think it was. I really don't. This we definitely did today, though. I guess I could do some of these that I've technically already done. How about this one? Okay. Here you go. Again, don't give me the answer yet. We'll try and work it out together. This one is Heat Seeker by Harris Heller. Stream Beats. Yep. Okay, so, alright, I remember I was over here. We're gonna pick another 3-day streak. Let's do this 3-day streak. February 28th, March 1st, and March 2nd. Did you finish it, piece of shit? Also, I really enjoy your name. So, we're gonna say March 1st for our coding challenge. We're gonna minimize those, and then I'm gonna say CC 2022 0301. Then I'm gonna add an app.js file, and this is where we're gonna save our code wars. Comment that out. Move this down a little bit. Right. So again, we game the system. So we just saved what it said, okay? We're gonna push this the way it is right now. Git status, git add. We're adding all, which is this thing. Now it's staged. You see? Staged. Git commit. I'm going to do this the old way because it wasn't breaking, but we'll see. Git commit add coding challenge description for 3/1/22 coding challenge. And then I'm going to say git commit dash dash amend dash dash date equals quotation marks 2022 0228, because I want to push this on the 28th, close quotations. Okay, enter. Then you're like, holy shoot, what the fuck is this? Well, you're gonna click escape. I did add it, and then I initially committed it, and then I like changed the commit date. I added it first by clicking git add period, and then I did git commit, and then I did the message, and then I did git commit dash dash amend dash dash date and my desired date, enter. That's where we're at right now. To get out of Vim, which is apparently what this is, didn't know that before today. Cool. Yes, you can. Kohai. We're gonna say escape. We're gonna say colon WQ enter. Hold up, this is my mom again. Sorry. Rip. I'm back. She called me back from that one time that I called her. You remember? She didn't answer. Okay, so we just changed the date. We have not pushed it though, so we're gonna hello. We're gonna say git push. It's going up. Goodbye. Thanks for the fun time. I don't know what that song was, but so it should appear right here. Okay. Oh my god, we're fucking amazing. Ah, yes. I was wondering, was I playing some random audio? No. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, we did that. Beautiful. Now let's solve it. Some people care about green boxes. I just like, it just makes me feel like accomplished. Like, how damn, I'm fantastic, you know? Anyway, you'll be given an array A and a value X. All you need to do is check whether the provided array contains the value. Oh, I think I shared it before, but let me share it again. There you go. Why did I move that? Okay. All you need to do is check whether the provided array contains the value. Array can contain numbers or strings. X can be either. Return true if the array contains the value, false if not. Is there anything special we have to set up to use terminal and VS Code to push to your Git? You have to make, first of all, you have to have Git enabled. You need to make a remote repository and you need to connect it to whatever your folder is. Whatever your folder is, it has to have Git in it. And then when you make that remote repository, it will give you a list of instructions to do. And you do those and then it connects them. And that's what you need to get to this point. So I didn't really understand what's happening here. So this is a great way to, we're gonna walk through this. Parameters. So given array A and rando value X, want to see if A has X in it. Yes. Yeah. SSH key, not necessarily, you just need the, what's it called? The location of the remote repo. Computer electricity to get to the point. Yes. Yes, we're using this like git bash. So we want to see if A has X in it. If X is in the array specifically. A can have numbers, strings. X can be a number or a string. Is it ever empty? Undefined? What do we do about special characters? Oh no, not XQC again, mother. Okay, what do we do about special characters? Cool, great. Those are parameters. We need to get back true if X is in A, false if X is not. But true, false, Boolean. Cool, 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 cool. Let's do our examples. So if we are given, wow, that's whack. 1, 2, 3, okay, as A and 4 as X should return false. Given, oops, forgetting, given 7, 6, 3, 2 as A and 6 as X should return true. Thanks all for the follows. I've lost track at this point, so bless. My skill of breaking everything down to computer language is because I don't know what the fuck is happening. So I just have to be like, I'll like sit there and be like, okay, so this is saying this. This is saying what? This? And yeah, that's what happens with me. So it doesn't always happen as easily as it happened today. So given, oh my god, I keep forgetting this. Okay. Given 56, 3, and... Oh, actually, an empty array as A and 5 as X should return false, because it's not in there. God, why would they white out our place at the very end? What the fuck? Okay. Okay, so we are first going to make a function that takes in 2 parameters, an array and a rando number. Well, let's do that first. Function. What should we call it? Is num in array too long? Num in array. Well, we're going for it. We're gonna say array and num. Okay. Array being A, num being X. Then we're going to say look through the array and see if there are any elements that match num. Conditional. If they do, return true, else return false. Okay, I think that's all we have to do, but we'll see. We'll see how that works for us. Okay, so we're gonna say array dot, I'm thinking map. I think so. Yes. Not very often, but I don't have the Spotify, but this is Switched On by Harris Heller, and it's the Supreme album, BT dubs. I should make a Spotify one, but I do Code Wars increasingly often because apparently now 100 devs appreciate it, so that's where we at. But on Thursday I'm gonna do my project. Maybe I'll answer questions. My 100 hours project. So given element, I'm glad. We're gonna say if element is equal to num, we'll make this a ternary. True. Oh, actually, true. Else false. And I don't know if I should write return. I think so. I'm glad you appreciate it. It's really weird being useful to y'all because I just don't feel like I never used array. AR. I don't feel like I know anything, so how could I be useful? Num in array. Then we're gonna have, stop it. 1, 2, 3. And 4 should return false. Do it, Doms. Everyone else say do it. It's not useful. I thought I was doing fucking awesome. Oh, you're right. Thank you. That took me a while. Yes, yes, we are all 100 devs here. Not all of us, but many of us are 100 devs here. Leon's an amazing teacher in person, supportive community. It's free. Learn to be a software engineer for $3. Okay. Well, I have the booleans though. I don't know where you are in the Udemy course, but probably not. All right. It will return an array. Well, fuck. I guess this isn't gonna work, huh? Okay, will you explain includes to me? Because I don't know includes very well. Retweet, Scooter, retweet. I mean, I sort of I tested actually in Run.js, but this is the way I can push it up. So I just want to know actually what this console logs. Just because maybe that will help me understand better what I am doing with my life. What are we doing with our lives? Okay, so false, false, false. It's not an extension. This is Run.js actually. It's a separate app. So we're gonna do the includes, but I want to keep this so we can push it. But if we do this again, function num in array and num. Oops, hello. And then we would say array.includes num. Is that it? Just return. That's it. God, why was that so easy? That makes me mad that I tried to make it so much harder for myself. 7, 6, 3, 2. And 6. Lol, I'm actually trying to do this console log style if you see what I'm... Oh no, never mind, I'm not. They're just 2 of them. Should return true. So if we do this... Everything got erased? Bruh. Bruh. Another solution, return array.sum. Will you explain sum to me? Element, given an element, if it is, return it if it is equal to number. Doms, I had to start from 0. Our place is over. Why would they end it like that? Why would they do like that? Like, fucking hell. It was fun though, it was a ride. I started from class 1. I didn't even know how to open code on a computer. I was like, where does the coding happen? Where does it happen? Is it the terminal? That's basically all I thought. And then when I found out that text editors were a thing, I was like, oh my god. And here we are. Magic. You can only place white tiles? Is this like a Reddit thingamajig? No, I was in the first cohort, Pharaohvax. That is the only reason I can do any of this right now, because like the equivalent of this time, like for you guys, for me, I did not understand JavaScript at all. 0. Did not get it. Still don't to an extent, but you know, we're doing better. It's very exciting. After a year I can get these and I'm like, oh my god, we're gods. Remember 100 gods. I did have a couple tech interviews and then I kind of burned out, but I got a job. It's happening right after this actually. I'm gonna go straight to another stream. You're welcome to follow me. Also, you don't have to. Yes, I should do a lot of Anki. Alright, y'all. We're going to save this, okay? So we just pushed to February 28th. This is our coding challenge for the 1st. So we're going to push it on the 1st. Okay? Get status. It says, hey, guess what? You edited this. So get add all. Get status again. Look, we staged it. So the get add period just means get add all. Then we're going to say get commit dash m. We're making a message. Add coding challenge attempt for 3/1/22. Attempt because I didn't actually solve it yet. I cut that out for now. Enter. Then I'm going to say get commit dash dash amend dash dash date equals quotation marks 2022 0301 close quotation marks. Enter. Escape. Colon WQ enter. And then get push. Let's check. It should be right here. Hell yeah, baby. Hi, Uberfly Storm. Gold Spy, click. Are you in Windows or Mac? It doesn't, sort of. Like if you look in the repository, it'll be like, oh yeah, you pushed this 7 minutes ago. Mac, you probably click Command tilde. I have Windows and it's Control tilde, and generally Command and Control are the equivalents of each other. Does anyone else know? Did it work? Did you try Command tilde? All right. Then I'm gonna say second attempt and answer. Woo. Okay. And then I kind of explained to myself. So the way I was going about it, just returned a new array with just falses and trues, and I needed just one. The new way is much less complicated. I'm glad you think so, Uberfly Storm. Okay, so I add notes for myself in case I ever go back and see what my thought process was, basically. You don't have to do that. Now I'm going to say get status again. Get add. Say if there were a bunch of these, how would I add just one? I would do this. Get add cc 2022 0301 / app.js close. And that's how I would do it. See? Staged again. Then we're going to get commit, add, add solution to coding challenge from 3/2/22. Or 3/1/22. Get commit again, amend, date, so dash dash amend, dash dash date equals beginning quotation signs 2022, this is whatever date you pick, 0302 is the date I want, close quotation marks, enter. Click escape, click colon, WQ, enter again, and then get push. Should be right here. Boom, baby. We were trying to combine it, rats, and it was giving us a lot of weird get pull, get push shit. And I just don't feel like dealing with that again. You have a time machine and you can attest that this did not occur on March 1st. How come you haven't shared that with us? Questions. Let me look at the Google Forms, ! questions, and click the link for the Google Forms. You also feel that you do not have anything to show tech people in coffee chats, like projects or anything. Yeah, when I did a bunch of coffee chats before, your kid has a landscape painting. Fuck yeah, that's great locating. When I did coffee chats before I had any projects, I just asked the person about themselves, a lot, so much asking about themselves, so much, and would tell my story. I didn't really bring up any projects though. Can you have my sister's computer? Wait, we didn't talk about my sister's computer at all. Nah, you can't. I can't give away someone else's property. Can you have mine? No. I need mine. Thanks. Thanks, someone. We already said hi. I just wanted to say hi. Any other questions before we take a break? Thanks for the follows, y'all. I appreciate it. I appreciate your support. Okay, break time. Where am I from? Utah, USA. Yeah, I do. Because so many people were asking me questions, Dom. That first time, I was like, oh my god, I feel so bad for missing all these questions. Here, let me make this sheet. And then I did last time, and it was not needed. But this time, it's been pretty useful. What I need to figure out how to code now is doing the exclamation point like question, and then people writing it in chat and then adding it to something somewhere. I don't know how to do that, but that seems like it'd be pretty tight. When am I getting a parrot? Never. Or rather, when I know that I'm gonna be in one place for 20 years and not really traveling at all. Because you need to be there for them, and I'm planning on living a whole bunch of places, so. Just take them with you. Easier said than done. Don't give up on your parrot dream. Rip. It's okay. I just sate myself with watching parrot videos. A service parrot? But the problem is, like what if I move to a different country? How do you bring a parrot with you? What if you want to go traveling in that country? You can't just bring the parrot with you. I think if I got a parrot, I've had a cockatiel. I think I'd get a Quaker or a green cheek conure, because those are just funny as hell. Parrot like voice memos, fuck yeah, locating. A pet hawk, oh, that would be bomb. You're just sitting here, this eating meat on my shoulder. Smart, you move 1,200 miles with your teal. Wait till you're ready. Birds are a lot of responsibility for sure, and not everyone can watch them when you're gone. Yeah, and we found that growing up, nobody wanted to watch my bird because he was an asshole, and they didn't know how to treat birds. So they're so funny. Oh god, green cheek conures are so funny. Have y'all looked at Flock Party on Instagram or TikTok? They have a Quaker, and she likes to go bacon, 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 pancake, bacon, bacon, pancake. Used to have an African gray parrot. What happened to the African gray parrot? They're smart motherfuckers. My Git process. So like, in like committing my coding challenges, no chill. That's what you're gonna make, synesthesia. Synesthesia, right? Deja. I looked back on the video where I said your name before and I said it so wrong. Which one was it? Deja? You gave it away, you had too many pets. See, that's the problem, and they get attached to you and it's sad to give them away. You knew one that could sound exactly like the home phone. You never knew if the phone was ringing or if it was the damn bird. Lol. Deja. Okay. Synesthesia. Okay. What happened to our place? What happened to our place? Oh, we got another one. What do I do to get into my diffuse learning state? I like to draw henna drawings and read. Who is it? Hey, get witchy. Drawing is really nice, except for when my hands get really shaky for no reason, and then it's hard to do like exact lines and whatnot. Is there any marker when someone might be job ready? Completion of a certain project, how do you distinguish when you're ready to start applying? So, my cohort finished in September. Everyone was applying for jobs, and I was just like, oh, we're drinking. And I was just like, man, I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even know how to do backend. I was really overwhelmed, and I hadn't been following along very well because depression. I just wasn't doing stuff because depression, it's great. And I just knew I wasn't ready for a job. Like, I was just like, fuck, I can't do that. So what I decided to do is stream, first of all, to keep myself accountable. I highly recommend it if y'all want to do that, or if it would work for you. Okay. We're talking though. Hello. What was I saying? So I hit the point where I started streaming because I was trying to actually get shit done, and I wasn't beforehand, and I started working on my online talking dictionary project. And I had been working on that for 3 months before I felt comfortable enough that I was like, you know what? I think I kind of do get this like back end shit. I think I could start applying for jobs now. So I'm depressed, so I guess I'll start streaming. The thing is that I knew what my strengths were. I know that I'll let myself down, but I won't let other people down. If I know y'all are gonna be here, I will show up. If I don't think anyone will be here, I probably won't. Like I don't want to let other people down. So it worked. I would just say play to your strengths. Am I a Taurus? I think I'm a Scorpio or something. I don't really follow along with that though. I appreciate y'all as well. Thank you for being here. Thank you for chatting with me. Y'all are fantastic. Streaming has been so amazing, and it's 'cause of you all. I am doing what makes me happy. This makes me happy, and it's been so wacky ever since I started, since I got on the stream team and y'all have been started showing up. Before I'm gonna keep doing this, by the way. I was working on my project and just feeling dumb, and then after I did that first Code Wars stream, all y'all on Twitter and all these other places were like, wow, you're helping us. And I was like, fuck, I don't know enough to help people, but apparently I am, so that's really exciting. I'm glad, Navi. Go ahead with your bravery to stream. Is it bravery? I don't know. But I enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. We have other questions? Oh, there is another question. All right. Wait, no, there isn't. So I would say you're job ready when you feel like it. I know that sounds shitty, but do you feel comfortable coding? Do you have some projects you can show? Or do you really need to make a ton of money immediately? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, same, Pink Star. Mine Wolf is pretty fun to watch. They really know what they're doing. Alright, y'all. So, what's going on for me is that I am going to be streaming with Appland in 10 minutes at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. Y'all don't have to follow me there. I'm just going to be showing their VS Code extension, but if you want to hang out, I want to hang out with you. So I just need to give myself 10 minutes to set everything up, because this is in Streamlabs OBS, and I have to go to OBS and then just make sure everything is working. So Shrimp Faust said that they want to pick who we raid, so I think we should raid someone, although since that's the redemption, we're gonna do that. Also, Shrimp Faust, who do you want to raid? And then if you want to come to my little job stream, it'll be my second time. I don't know how well it's gonna go because I don't really know how to use that tool, but we're learning, right? If you want to go, feel welcome. I'd love to see you there, but also no pressure. Only 0.5 of the world's population knows how to code? Really? Today's your first day listening in. You're a 100 dev student right now. I appreciate you for helping us. You'll be turning regular. I'm so glad to hear that. A Curran? Why don't you raid me? I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to set that up. I don't know how to, like, can I do that on the same computer? Yeah, I'll give you the link. Hold up. This is where I will be in 10 minutes. If it's a cold, it's a fucking awesome one. So that's where I'll be. It won't be Code Wars. But hopefully it'll be fun. Well, so but I have to if we go raid them right now, then wouldn't I have to be streaming already? Like on the other one? Or can I like raid before? I don't know. I'm a little nervous just because I'm like getting paid to do it and I also don't really know how to do it, you know. I'm a little less confident. Programming is a cult. 100 devs is a red pill. Let's just watch Parrot videos. But I can't because I'm getting paid to show the tool, right? Thank you, I appreciate you. Yeah, but I feel like you have to be streaming, like to raid someone you have to be streaming them, right? See you get witchy. So, we're gonna raid Shrimpfast. Are you still here? Yeah, I didn't think I could either. I can't raid myself because I can't set it up. I don't know how to do that. Like, let me open up OBS. Is this a thing? I don't think so. I think like my camera only can use one application. Yeah, it can only use one. Aw, JK Fed, I appreciate that. I remember you. I still follow you on GitHub. If you can't raid yourself, how the hell are you gonna raid someone else? Lol. If we go raid someone, are y'all gonna go to the other stream, like my other stream? Either way, it's fine. Amen. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. I can't raid myself, unfortunately. It's too complicated. I can host. How? Confusion. I know how to raid. I just don't know how to raid a channel that has to be on my computer and streaming. Irish goodbye. I don't think Shrimpfaust is here, so I guess next time Shrimpfaust comes. If you're watching the Shrimpfaust, let me know who you want to raid. For now, let's figure out someone else to raid. Software and game development. We'll stay there. I'll stay like loosely there for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna go live at 7:30. All right, Seawalker. Y'all do whatever. Oh my God, we're #1 in software and game development right now. That's whack. That's wild. Y'all are wild. Oh, is Melody Dev going right now? Oh yeah, Melody Dev is going right now. Raid Melody Dev. Did I spell it right? All right, y'all feel free to hang out with Melody Dev, but I will go live at Appland in like 5-6 minutes. Okay. All right. Let's go raid them.